everyone, my name is Madison Wagers, and for my loudspeaker engineering challenge, I chose to do something like a megaphone because I know where I'm a former cheerleader, we used to use those a lot to make our voices louder for the crowd to hear. So the materials that I used to make my two models is some aluminum foil, and I used some tape, and then I also used a plastic can like those Lay's cans, but we'll get into that a little bit later. So for my first model, I chose to do something like this. It's just aluminum foil shaped into a megaphone or a funnel, whatever you'd like to call it. And then I just used tape to tape it together to where it would stay. And here's what it ended up looking like. And then the phone would just slide into this bottom part, and then the noise would just travel through. So here is what the music sounded like before placing it into the megaphone. And then placing it into the megaphone, it sounded like this. And I felt like that didn't really change the volume that much. So then I started sketching out another idea, and I thought to add like a plastic can because I felt like that would make the volume louder and help it to travel through better. So it ended up looking at something like this. So I just placed the plastic can inside the aluminum foil, and then I also stuck some little aluminum foil on the end to make that noise even louder. So I just used that aluminum foil that I had before, and then here's what the can looks like on the inside. And then just place this inside the can. And then there's also a little opening down here for the phone to be slid into. And here's what it sounds like before placing it into this. And then when placing it inside, it sounds like this. And I feel like that made a pretty big difference, and my family agreed. So that's why I came up for the Loudspeaker Engineering Challenge. And I feel like this would be really great for the grandpa to just like sit out on the porch. And while his grandkids are just jumping on the trampoline, I feel like it would make the music a lot louder for them to be able to hear. So I think it would be really great for him to use. So that's what I came up for my models. Thank you.